1. Blueberries, rich in antioxidants. Blueberries help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, promoting brain health and longevity. 2. Salmon, packed with omega-3 fatty acids. Salmon supports heart health, reduces inflammation. 3. Spinach. This leafy green is rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. 4. Almonds, high in healthy fats, protein, and fiber. Almonds support heart health, weight management, and can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases. 5. Sweet potatoes, rich in vitamin A and fiber. Sweet potatoes promote healthy digestion, immune function, and can help reduce inflammation. 6. Avocados, packed with healthy fats. Avocados support heart health, weight management, and can help reduce the risk of certain cancers. 7. Green tea, high in antioxidants. Green tea has been shown to promote heart health, reduce the risk of certain cancers, and support cognitive function. 8. Pomegranates rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. Pomegranates have been shown to promote heart health, reduce inflammation, and support cognitive function. 9. Dark chocolate, containing flavonoids and antioxidants. Dark chocolate can help improve heart health, reduce inflammation, and support cognitive function.